Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how to make your curls stay longer. Yes, how to keep your curls to last longer. And before then, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and tap on the notification bell. In that way, you get instant notification whenever I upload a new video. So thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye.
Dos caritas está Cristo, me sume permite.
So first thing you want to do is to put your hair extension into the type of curls that you want. You can put it into box braids, you can twist it, you can use rollers or even use thread. So in this case, I use thread and rollers to achieve this first step. Just in case if you want to see how I made my own curls, I'm going to leave the video link up there so you guys can watch it if you're interested to know how I got my own curls like this, so you can watch it. So the second thing you want to do is to find a bigger bowl, something big enough for you to do this. You don't want to use something small. So here I got a very big bowl that is big enough for me to dip the hair into. So this is just perfect, this one you're seeing now. And this is lotta body, like this is setting lotion. This is the key, will I say, ingredient to this. Like this is the key thing to this. Just for instance, if you go to a salon, like to do your hair or something, like to set your hair, they have to use it. Like this is the big deal, like this is the main thing in this. So you want to pour good amount of this into the bowl, onto the hair that you want to curl. So make sure you put big enough. So after you do this, the next thing you want to do is to pour hot water, and you need to be careful doing this. Make sure you don't have any kids running around or anything. So I'm going to pour another one to make sure that is the hot water covered all the hair. So after that, I'll just find something to dip it in to make sure like everything. I don't want to miss a single one or anything. So here I'm just using the brush to dip it in, make sure that like everything is well covered with water. So, and this water is very hot, so you need to be careful doing this. So after doing this, you need to leave it like 20 minutes into the water. Like after that, you want to get it out and place it into a towel, so to allow it to dry easily. So after that, I'll just start to unravel the hair, like the thread, because I use thread, and then this one I use rollers. So I'm just taking the rollers gently. You don't want to do this by force, and you want to be careful doing this. Yeah, you don't want to make the curls rough or anything. So here I'm using argan oil mousse. So this is another great way in protecting your curls. Mousse is a very good thing when it comes to protective hairstyles. So you want to use this mousse to dab everything in. Make sure it's well covered with this mousse. So what this thing does, this mousse does, is that when it dries and with the help of the setting lotion, when they dry, they'll just be like that. The curls doesn't move or anything. They don't unravel. So after that, I'm just going to use my hands to dab everything in. Doing this will make the curls to stay together and not to separate. So here I'm just applying this serum, and then another thing I'm going to add is argan oil. So this will give your hair the shine that it needs, and protects the curls as well, and give it that shine. Moving on, I'm just going to use olive oil spray and spray it on this hair, and this will equally add shine to the hair as well. And lastly, I'm going to allow this hair to air dry. This is very, very important. So I'm going to allow this hair to air dry, and this is the last part of it. Thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed. Bye.
Dos caritas está Cristo, me sume permite. Kind of love it, jiriba mo kiri kiri, jiriba mo kiri kiri, jiriba mo kiri kiri. Kind of love it, jiriba mo kiri kiri.